Ever thought your tech could have a dark side? Hold on to your seat. We're about to uncover 10 shocking dangers of AI you've probably never seen coming. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll view technology through a whole new lens. Curious? Let's dive in. Number 1. Unintended decision making. You know, we've all had those moments where we just can't decide, whether it's choosing between pizza or pasta, or making an important life decision. Imagine if AI started making those decisions for us. Sounds great, right? But there's a catch. These systems learn from data, and that data could be biased. For instance, an AI tool for hiring might unintentionally favor a particular gender or ethnicity over another simply because of the data it was trained on. Now, that's not saying AI is inherently flawed. It's just a reflection of the data it's been given. But this highlights a critical unseen danger: unintended decisions based on biased data. It's kind of like giving your friend the power to choose your outfit for the day, but they only ever saw you in work attire. You're probably not going to the beach in a suit, right? Number 2. Over-reliance on automation. We've all had that moment where we rely too heavily on our GPS and end up lost in a place we didn't intend to be. This, my friends, is the metaphorical alleyway we might find ourselves in when we rely too heavily on AI. Let's break it down. Think about the student who relies on a calculator for every math problem. What happens when the calculator isn't around? In the business world, imagine relying solely on free AI tools for SEO, without human judgment. Sure, these tools can identify potential keywords or suggest optimization techniques, but they can't always grasp the nuances of your specific audience or the ever-evolving search landscape. It's like trying to fish with a net that has huge holes in it. You might catch some fish, but a lot will slip through. Number 3. Misinterpretation of data. Picture this. You tell a joke to a friend, but they take it literally. A little awkward, right? Now imagine AI doing the same with a chunk of data. As smart as AI might seem, there's still a level of nuance and context it might not grasp, leading to misinterpretations. Consider a business analyzing customer feedback. An AI system might see negative words and flag a review as unfavorable. But what if the review said, "I never imagined I'd find such a great product"? The word "never" might be seen as negative, but the sentiment is glowing. Or how about this? An AI chatbot is programmed to assist customers, but it takes a sarcastic remark literally. Instead of easing a customer's concerns, it might escalate the issue. It's like when you're jokingly upset with a friend and they offer you an ice cream to cheer you up. Sweet gesture, but missing the mark, right? Number 4. Cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Ever lost your house keys and felt that tiny pang of panic? Now imagine if someone could duplicate those keys without you knowing. The digital world of AI isn't too different. With increasing AI integration, the threat of cyber attacks grows too. Here's the thing. As advanced as AI systems become, they also become attractive targets for hackers. These aren't just your run-of-the-mill mischief makers, but skilled individuals who can turn AI against its user. Imagine a self-driving car being directed off its route, or a personal assistant AI device being hacked to eavesdrop on conversations. It's a bit like a movie plot, isn't it? But this isn't fiction. The challenge is real. Just as we put locks on our doors and install alarm systems in our homes, it's essential to invest in robust cybersecurity measures when using AI. Trust me, you wouldn't want any uninvited digital guests. Number 5. Ethical implications. We've all faced moral dilemmas, whether it's deciding if you should return extra change given by mistake or figuring out the right thing to say in a tricky situation. Now imagine an AI system having to make ethical decisions. Tricky, right? That's because ethics isn't always black and white. Consider self-driving cars. If faced with an unavoidable accident, how should the car react? Should it prioritize the safety of its passengers over pedestrians? These are weighty questions, and programming AI to handle such scenarios is a significant challenge. Or think about AI in healthcare. If an AI system helps doctors diagnose diseases, should it also prioritize which patients receive treatment based on data? Who gets to decide that? It's like standing at a crossroads without a map or compass. It's unclear which way to go. these are just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to the ethical implications of AI. As we continue to integrate AI into our lives, it's crucial to navigate these murky waters with care, ensuring that technology serves humanity, not the other way around. Number 6. The loss of human jobs. Have you ever had that feeling of being replaced? Maybe a younger sibling taking over your room, or someone new at work taking on tasks you used to handle. Now amplify that feeling, and you'll get a sense of the concerns many have about AI taking over human jobs. The rapid advancements in AI mean machines can now handle tasks that previously required human intervention. From customer service chatbots to automated manufacturing lines, the shift is evident. It's like when you used to wash dishes by hand, and then you got a dishwasher. Convenient, yes, but where does that leave the person whose job was to wash dishes? Of course, the other side of the coin is that AI can lead to the creation of new job sectors and opportunities. But the transition isn't always smooth. As we continue to harness the power of AI, it's crucial to consider the human element, ensuring that individuals are equipped with the skills and opportunities to thrive in an AI-augmented world. Number 7. Misuse in the wrong hands. Remember the saying, "With great power comes great responsibility"? Well, AI is a testament to that. In the right hands, AI can be a force for good, solving complex problems and making our lives easier. But what happens when it lands in the wrong hands? Imagine malicious actors using AI to spread fake news or manipulate public opinion. Or consider AI-powered drones being misused for unsanctioned surveillance or worse. It's a bit like giving a toddler a box of matches. It might seem intriguing to them, but the potential for harm is vast. Number 8. Deepfakes and reality distortion. Deepfakes are like those masks you might wear at a costume party, but on a whole nother level. Using AI, it's possible to create eerily realistic video footage of people saying or doing things they never did. At a glance, these can be almost indistinguishable from the real thing. Imagine the potential chaos if a deepfake video of a world leader declaring war went viral. Or think about personal reputations being tarnished by manipulated footage. It's like being in a hall of mirrors where it's challenging to distinguish between reality and illusion. While these technologies can have creative and entertaining applications, the potential for misinformation and manipulation is a pressing concern. As consumers of digital content, a new level of skepticism and media literacy is required to navigate this evolving landscape. Number 9. Unpredictable AI behavior. Here's a fun thought. Ever bought a toy or gadget and it didn't work quite the way you expected? Now picture that unpredictability in sophisticated AI systems. As AI models become more complex, even their creators sometimes can't predict or explain their behaviors. It's akin to cooking a new recipe and ending up with something entirely unexpected. For instance, in AI-driven trading systems, unpredictable behavior could result in significant financial losses. Or in healthcare, an unpredictable AI diagnostic tool might miss a critical health issue. While these systems undergo rigorous testing, the vast and intricate web of calculations can sometimes lead to unexpected outcomes. Thus, as we advance, ensuring transparent and interpretable AI systems becomes not just desirable, but absolutely essential. Number 10. Emotional and social disconnect. Think back to those moments when a chat with a friend or a hug from a loved one made everything better. Now, as we integrate AI into more areas of our lives, there's a risk of losing some of that human touch. Chatbots can handle queries, AI therapists can analyze emotions, but can they replicate the genuine warmth of human interaction? It's kind of like watching a movie on mute. You can understand the plot, but you miss out on the emotional depth and nuances. As we rely more on AI-driven interactions, there's a risk of our social skills getting a bit rusty. Moreover, as machines take over roles that once required a human touch, we need to ask ourselves, what are we potentially sacrificing? The challenge is to find harmony, integrating AI into our lives without letting it overshadow the invaluable human connections that make life rich and meaningful. Well, that was a roller coaster. Remember, in our rapidly advancing digital age, always stay sharp and informed. Until next time, stay curious and connected.